Alright guys, we're here with the HBX Hailstorm. We're going to put it to a little bit of off-road testing here. We've got an awesome location here to do some RC off-roading. So that's what we're going to do. Enjoy. I'm impressed. This thing goes pretty good. Nice LED lights on the front there. Oh, there's a nice jump there. Not bad at all. I'm quite impressed with this. This is a 650 milliamp lithium ion battery that's in here right now, and it does quite well. We are gonna switch that out, and let's do that right now after this crash. All right guys, there's our 650 milliamp lithium ion that comes with the Hailstorm here. We get two of those batteries. I have an 850 milliamp LiPo here. This 850 milliamp LiPo fits in the stock battery bay. You can close the retainer clip there, and we're good to go. Just have to plug it in. Okay, we've got the LiPo in there now, guys, and let's check it out. Oh man, yeah, considerable more power with that LiPo. I'm gonna take it a little easy here. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. That thing just dances with that LiPo in there. Definitely a good upgrade there, putting the LiPo in it. Shoot, she just scoots across that gravel now. Whoa, big wipeout. I'm so impressed with this little guy. Not too bad. This is the 650 milliamp lithium ion battery that comes with it, and it moves pretty good. We did do a little off-road testing there, and I did throw an 850 milliamp LiPo in it. Fits in the stock battery tray, secures in perfectly, and that thing just ripped. Right on. Get a little off-road into the park here. Thing just goes. Fantastic. I'm liking this. Get another jump in. This thing just takes a beating. Alright guys, we're done for the day. That's the HBX Hailstorm. Had a fantastic time with this little truggy. It responded remarkably to every test I put it through, whether it's mud, gravel, pavement, hopping curbs. It handled everything. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button before you head out. And remember, don't be a stranger. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.